Guys, good afternoon and you're welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to use onion juice for massive hair growth. Okay, so if you're seeing this channel for the first time, hi, you're welcome. Please hit the red subscribe button to join the family. To my OGs, thank you so much for always coming back. You guys, I appreciate all your support. So like I said, today I'm going to teach you how you can use onion juice for massive hair growth. Now, what do you need for this preparation? So note that it's only natural that everyone wants a healthy and luscious hair. Now, introducing onion juice for your hair. Yes, this is easily available in your kitchen because it's an ingredient that is almost in everybody's kitchen. So this onions is really effective. It's an effective remedy against hair loss, hair thinning, and even breakage. So whether you are rapidly losing your hair and you want to grow it back rapidly, or you simply want to make it look very natural and healthy and voluminous, okay, so you're simply looking for an effective natural way to keep your hair healthy and voluminous, onion juice is one of the ways to achieve that. So now I'm going to give you a recipe or maybe a remedy, something you can try or you can do for like 2 to 3 times a week religiously before you can start seeing changes from your hair, you get. So now follow this 2 to 3 times note a week religiously. You can start seeing changes as from 2 months upwards. And I want you guys to remember that consistency is key. Me personally, I can testify that onion juice works. I will be posting different beneficial ways you can use onion juice, okay? So aside this particular video that you're seeing, subsequently I'm going to be posting different beneficial ways you can use onion juice to grow your hair. So now you can take pictures of your hair before starting this treatment for reference and to see how far your hair is growing. Now, how do you prepare this? First of all, you have to blend onions and garlic. You can add a very small amount of ginger. Yeah, you can add maybe a medium amount of ginger. For some people too, they like to add pepper. Maybe people who have a really thick or strong skull or scalp, they might want to add pepper. Okay, you know this red tiny pepper. So you can still add it, but it's optional if you want. Now after blending it, you can strain the blended mixture with your white handkerchief. You get your the mixture that's your blended garlic and ginger and onions and a slight pinch of pepper, which is actually optional. So after you've blended them, you now put it into your white handkerchief, okay, and then strain out the juice. Strain out the juice very well because that's the juice that you'll be needing. That's the liquid you're going to be needing. Now after you've strained it out, you put the liquid in a spray bottle. Okay, there are different spray bottles, so the one that you can lay your hands with on. So now after you've put it inside your spray bottle, you can start spraying it on your hair. Spray it very well round your scalp. Make sure it's on your scalp, not really hair per se, but the root of your hair, you get. Make sure it's well sprayed deep into your roots, your hair roots. Now spray it on your hair, then cover it with a shower cap or nylon, and then wrap it with towel or clothes, whatever you can lay your hands, even shirts, anything that will give you warmth for 1 hour. Remember, after you sprayed it round your hair, you now put it inside a nylon or a shower cap, whichever one you can get. Then after you've packed your head well into your shower cap, you now use another cloth. It could be towel, it could be your clothes, it could be shower, whatever, or even shirt. Then use it to still wrap on top of the nylon that you're using to cover your head. So wrap it very, very well and let it stay for like 1 hour. Okay, let it stay very well, that way it hits your scalp very, very well. Okay, so now that ginger or pepper is going to make blood rush your head, okay, down your scalp, because most times what causes hair loss or hair not growing is because there's no blood flow around your head. So once you apply this ginger, it kind of makes that place very active and makes blood come that side, so that way you can start having hair growth. Okay, so that's one of the good benefits of actually using ginger too. So now, then after you must have let it stay for over 1 hour, okay, then you rinse it out, rinse it really out. Another friendly tip that I want
which
to
is
give,
based on experience, is that do not use too much water when blending your onions. Okay, sorry about the noise. So when you're blending your onions, ginger, garlic, please don't add too much water, because a lot of people, they add water so that they can get enough juice. No, so don't add too much water when blending your onions, ginger, garlic, and the pepper, which is optional, because you don't like to waste, like me. You wouldn't want to waste the whole juice by adding too much water, you get. So now, cutting onions alone can be very irritating to the eye. So imagine the juice with a touch of ginger pepper entering your eyes. You do not want that to enter your eyes too. Okay, so you don't forget, after probably mixing this whole thing and getting, you now forget, and then you can't let it enter your eye. Maybe when you're spraying, you're becoming, and then you can't forget, and the thing enter your eyes. Anyways, if it shall mistakenly enters your eyes, just rinse off with enough water. Yeah. So another advice I would like to give is that, that the mixture of all these things can be really smelly. After you've applied it on your hair, you can start having a very awful smell around your hair. So please, to be able to avoid that, make sure you rinse it off very well, and not just with water. You can use a shampoo that has a very nice scent. Okay, that way after you finish rinsing it off, it's going to keep your hair looking beautiful. And please don't forget to apply a moisturizer after you finished rinsing it off, because if you rinse it off completely with a shampoo, it's probably going to make your hair dry. So make sure you apply a moisturizer, something that's going to lock in moisture to your hair, and then probably still help it or improve the smell of your hair as well. Okay, so you guys, that is all for onion juice on your hair scalp. So thank you so much. I do hope you go and try this remedy out. Okay, this tip is very, very important. It's going to make your hair grow, shine, and become very full. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, that's if you haven't subscribed already, and don't forget to share. I'll see you guys next time. Till I come your way, it's still your girl, and I'm saying bye.